to this week's vlog. Today I'm going to work on my Fox commission. So all I have to do now is sew the rest of the body up and glue some bits, and then I can start furring, so it should be done pretty soon. And I'm going to be working on another Fox doll that will be available, and my moss raccoon. I dyed some faux fur, a green colour, so I have to finish processing it. So it's a little bit more green, so it's gonna look like a regular old raccoon, but like a greeny colour. And that video will be on my Patreon on how I dyed that for my $5 and up people. And then yeah, just try and work on those Halloween dolls. So I've got the Raven and the Meow Meow. I wanted to do a sticker set, but don't know yet about that. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to do today. Oh yeah, and also I want to finish off my Oni masks so they can go up. I am going to do like a die cut sticker of the Oni masks. So I'm working on that on Procreate, but that's what we have so far. Almost finished painting them, so they shouldn't be too much longer to finish. So yeah, I will get to work. Today is Friday, so I got a little bit done yesterday. I did some painting on my Oni mask. I still have a little bit to go, but painted up the horns and the eyes and the nose and the mouth a little bit. The nose still needs more paint on it, but still needs a lot of work anyway. So hopefully they will be available next week. Fingers crossed. I got a whole bunch of fur ready for my candy corn cat and my Raven. So these are the candy corn colours that I'm going to be doing for the underbelly. I don't know about the tail tip, but the underbelly will definitely be... Which way does candy corn go? That way. Candy corn. And I also managed to sew up my Fox commission yesterday. So this is what we have. I'm going to be doing some furring and trimming and stuff today as well, and see how much I can get done. I need to do a needle felting constellation on there, so that will be for a Patreon exclusive video, but the rest of it will be a YouTube video. It's got a little black tail, it's got ball and socket armature and wire legs. So we'll see how much of that I can get done today. Hopefully a fair bit. So that's pretty much all I've done yesterday, so I can continue on doing some more stuff today. So stay tuned. you what I done. So for this Fox commission, I've applied all the fur to the face. I'm just waiting for things to dry before I do anything else, before I trim it. But I reckon it should be done probably next week. So I went for like a typical Fox pattern on the face where it's got the white, because I thought it needed a little bit of white to it. You probably can't see in there anyway, but I've got some little black fur there. Got the black behind the ears and the white like I normally do, and like a little galaxy type coloured underbelly. Yes, that's going to be drying for now, and then I can trim it. In terms of the Oni masks, this is what we've got so far. Just waiting for it to, I was waiting for it to dry a little bit, but it's dry now, so I can apply another layer of paint, because the blue's quite thin, and I need to apply a little bit of the gold and the silver as well. So they're coming along slowly. So that's pretty much all I've done today. I need to paint my raven legs, so I'll be doing that at some point very soon, because I still have to sew the body and stuff anyway, so there's no point. I don't need a rush or anything, but I think they're just going to be standard raven coloured feet. I'm trying a different pattern out on the body for my bird bodies. I'm adding like another section in the underbelly just so it has a bit more space around the leg area. But that's pretty much it. I combed out my raccoon fur, so it's all been processed and everything, so that's ready to sew up now. So this whole process of dyeing will be on my Patreon for $10 and up tier, and I'll show you how I dyed it this colour. So you can see originally, you can see the original colour of the fur, how much different it is now. So just a bit of a green tinge to it, even though that might look the same, but yeah, you can see the colour of what it was and what it is now. So that will be available on my Patreon in the next 2 weeks or something or so, and I'll go over all of the steps. Speaking of Patreon, thank you very much for all my patrons for supporting me. I really do appreciate it. It helps me a lot, and I hope I can give some tips and stuff back as well. In the meantime, you can check out my shop at creaturesofnat.com. I have a new video that went up that shows everything that's for sale on there. If you're interested in having another little look, you can check out my previous video. So that's that. And also Instagram and Facebook, you can find me there as well at Creatures of Nat. So yeah, I will probably catch you in the next one. Bye.